I'm Ric Orlando. It's summer in the Catskills, and I'm going to show you the most fun you can have with a bag of chips, a jar of mayo, a bottle of Purple Haze hot sauce, some fabulous local bread alone bread, and top of the season super ripe bursting tomatoes. Check this out. And just when you think you're done, there's one more thing. You all need a little Purple Haze on there. So I like to open it up, add a little Purple Haze to that delicious mayonnaise and potato chip hit there. Don't forget, sauce on top. Mmm.